Good morning. In this video I'm going to show you how to attach velcro to your pillow opening. Which is going to be, this will be your back of your pillow, and this will be the flap going over. So you'll want the softer side of the velcro on the outside, which is the part that is facing you, attached just like that. And then on the other one, you'll want it on the back side, attached just like that. So basically, it's not going to be that difficult to attach this. You can do decorative stitching, or you can just do a straight line stitch, which that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to put it about a 1/4 inch past the edge. And I'm going to start right on the end of my fabric, because my fabric's not sewn together yet either. So, you want to make sure that your velcro's right in the middle. And do right about there. And just start stitching. My thread is wrapped around my foot. Let's see if I can get that unwrapped. There we go. And continue on going. Now I'm going to put my needle in the down position, so when I get to the end, I can pivot, lower it, so to the other edge, pivot, lower, and sew both sides. Oops. Grab my scissors. Just snip those off. And it's not that pretty on the inside of the pillow, but that's what it looks like on the outside. And now I'm going to do the exact same thing with this piece here. Now I could do a decorative stitch if I wanted to, and just go right down the edge of it, which, let's see, number 15 is like one of my favorite stitches. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a couple of pins, and I'm going to pin this so it doesn't move around. And it is plastic, so it's a little bit hard to get your pins through, but they will go through. Now that's all in place where I want it to be. And just stitch right down the center of it. And when you're getting close to a pin, just pull it out. And that takes care of my velcro. It is loose on one end, so if I wanted to fix that, what I would do is I'd go back to my straight edge, and I could either do another decorative stitch on that side, or like I said, just do a straight stitch right down the edge of it. And that's what I'm going to do, is I'm just going to do a straight stitch right down the edge of it, so it's just secured on both sides. There, that makes that secure on both sides. You'll have your decorative stitch with a stitch right above it. Now what I want to do is I want to line up this. I'm going to put this on here. Now I velcroed them together, and the reason I do that is because I want to attach this end and this end so that they don't open up. And how I'm going to do that is I'm going to do a straight stitch, have my needle so it comes down, do a couple of back stitches, and I'm going to stitch in about 1 inch to 1.5 inches, pivot, so up to the top of the velcro, pivot again, do a couple of back stitches, and then one more pivot, or go across side. That works too. And a couple of back stitches. That's one end. Now that's nice and secure. When I open that up, it stays closed on the end. And I'm going to do the same thing on this end. Do a couple of back stitches. Go for about 1 inch. Pivot. Drop that foot down. Go across, a couple of back stitches, pivot one last time, a couple of back stitches, sew the end, and then corner to corner. With a couple of back stitches. And we're done. Now that is all closed off on the thing, where I can open it now, but it is attached on both ends nice and secure, and you have your nice velcro opening.